Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now we have actually got a really great one here today. Actually the floor plan we have not seen yet. And this is a 2026 Grand Design Transcend Xplor, model number 26RBX. So let's get started. The length on this Transcend is 31 feet 6 inches. The dry weight is 6,147 with a hitch weight of 627 with a GVWR of 7,695.
Yeah, guys, so for the ones of you who love a rear bath, I really think you're going to be impressed when you see this one. Plus, hey, it's half-ton towable, so
Yes.
what else could you possibly ask for? Right up front, you are going to have a power tongue jack on this one, and of course your propane's going to go under the cover. As always, your batteries are going to mount right there on the frame. I love that your connections are enclosed on this, so everything is right in there. Nice pass-through storage. Now these are going to have manual stabilizers on it, and you've got a dump area right there, your low point drains, and you are going to have a rack and pinion slide on it. And this is the Xplor series. I'm not really sure what the difference in the trim levels on these are, but
Yeah, because you've got the Transcend Xplor, the Transcend, what is it, 1?
yeah.
I have so many different.
So you have lots of choices. You are going to have another dump area right here at the back. This is going to be prepped for the Lippert ladder and also prepped for a backup camera.
It is a 30 amp camper.
30 amp camper, so you're only going to have one AC on it. Your spare is mounted back here.
Black tank flush is back here on the back.
Well, that's fairly easy to get to.
It really is.
That's better than it being on the campsite for sure. Looking down here, you see that you are going to have a 19-foot awning, power awning. It does have a light. Oh, let's see. Right up here.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. You do have one outside speaker right there, and this is going to be your cable connection antenna if you want to bring a TV outside. So let's look at this side of the pass-through storage, and then we'll go look at this really cool floor plan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, great. And you got a table up
Oh,
here.
now that's nice now.
I love that they put it up at the top where it's out of the way.
Out of the
and
way.
you can get to it. That is a really good idea. I wish I had thought of it.
And you have a Rosie leash.
Yeah. So, however, I think Rosie could almost drag this poor camper. Bless her heart, she's just a monster. Oh, sorry. There was a rear shot. Okay. Well, you stopped in the door. All right, let's take a quick look around. And we'll just start right here where you come in the door.
Awesome.
One of the things I do really like about this floor plan is you actually have a dedicated kitchen area and then a dedicated living room area. You know, sometimes they put the dinette in the wrong place and it just makes it really awkward, but this is a great layout. And you have tons of storage. Look at all the storage you have up here.
This is more storage than we have in our complete camper.
It really is.
Yeah.
Wank, wank. Pull out garbage. I mean, this is just a great area. Now, this is not going to be solid surface in here, but that does help keep the cost down and keep your weight down. But I mean, you've got a spice rack already in place, your paper towel holder, you've got, a couple of plug-ins. So
Wow.
very well done.
And before we stepped inside, I always wanted to mention, if someone is a first-time camper buyer, look at where your door is placed.
Absolutely. We can speak from experience because our door is actually at the very back because of our floor plan. And sometimes if you have a short campsite and you have to back as far back as you can, your door might be opening into the dirt.
Free information.
From somebody who's been there and done that. All right, you have got this little 12-volt compressor fridge here with the French doors at the top, big freezer at the bottom. super nice. And of course it's on and it's draining our battery pack.
Yes.
Down below.
Ooh.
For those of you who travel with a Rosie like we do,
Yes.
you have a hidden pet bowls down there.
I love it.
Super. And moving on into the rest of the kitchen area. Let me scoot over here where you can see all this. These are really big drawers. I mean, really big drawers.
Good night.
Yeah. The only downfall on this one is it doesn't have an oven. So if that's important for you guys, this is one thing to keep in mind. But you do have a 3-burner cooktop here. And unfortunately, I think this is just, yeah, it's just a regular microwave. But you do have space here next to your cooktop. If you need an air fryer or a toaster oven, you've got plenty of room and a plug-in to add that. But these drawers are amazing. Yep.
3-burner cooktop.
3-burner. And let's finish out this kitchen area with, y'all, this is a huge pantry. I'm going to tell you, it is a really, really good sized pantry.
And you know something else I like about this floor plan? You have the kitchen and you have the living room.
Yeah, that's what I had said, you know, that it's actually designated 2 spaces. So to finish out the kitchen, you do have your booth dinette here. And of course, you know, like all dinettes, this will make some additional sleeping if you need to. And then Grand Design gives you this huge window here, so you can sit and enjoy eating your breakfast or lunch or dinner, whatever, and look out over the campsite. Now in the living room area, you've got all of this overhead storage up here, your theater seating, yeah, cup holders. Again, look at this floor space. I mean, this is just really great. Got space here for a TV. It looks like up to a 40-inch or a 32.
Yeah, 32.
Yeah,
So.
probably a 32 would be a good fit for it. There's storage up above it.
That's a storage right
And
there.
then you have got some huge storage down here below. So
Wow.
Wow is right. Yeah, and then on top of all that, they do actually give you a flush floor slide. Did I say that in the right order?
Yes.
I did. Sometimes I get that confused. So yeah, now looking at it from this way, I mean, you have lots of room in here, and of course you do have your single AC unit up there. Okay. Now we said for those of you who like a rear bath, I think you are really, really going to like this one.
Woo!
I mean, let's just take this one in for a second.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like this.
So you have got not 1, not 2, but 3 mirrored medicine cabinets up here. So, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't even have that much in our house, to be perfectly honest. Storage underneath your sink, and then you've got, you know, really good counter space in here, and then you have open storage also on both sides. So plenty of room in here.
Okay.
Now on the shower.
Yeah. 30 by 36.
30 by 36. There is a skylight. So if you're 6'1", 2 maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't have any issues in here. It is going to give you a shower curtain. Now looking down here, and I didn't even point out, but all of the heating in this is going to be in the cabinetry. But small step up to get into it. Then you have some open storage here for your towels. And just another little hint, if anybody's curious, we actually use shoe boxes in ours. And so you can put your cleaning supplies and things in a shoebox, and it slides right in there perfectly.
And you have the little vent fan.
You do have a small vent fan. Now, the only reason that we're not giving this bathroom the golden plunger is because it does have a plastic toilet. Again, that's one of those things. It's not a big deal. It cuts down on weight.
But this is a very great bathroom.
This is a super bathroom. And ta-da! If you guys are experiencing any odors with your black tank, or if you have any cleaning issues, if you need to clean your bathroom in your RV, or if you want some wash and wax,
Yeah.
check out Liquefied. They have got a whole lot of great products. They work wonderfully. We will have a link down in the description below, and we will also give you guys a 15% coupon code.
Yes.
Please take advantage of it because it's well worth it.
Yes.
All right, we're still not finished though. We got one more area to look at. So if you turn around and head back to the front up here, you see that you got a couple of leashes.
And something that's very good, a light
switch.
switch.
That's not leashes. Those are hooks where you can put leashes. It's a little early in the morning for me.
Well,
all
we're
your
trying to-
controls are going to be right here. And yes, we are trying to get this done before the rain sets in because it's in the forecast, unfortunately. You're going to have pleated shades in here. So on this side, you have hanging. And then there's an open area down there. And this side is going to give you shelves with that same open area. And then at the back, you have power, USB, and C on both sides.
Oh,
So-
now I like that.
Yeah.
We did not get that in ours.
No, we only had the USB on one side.
Mm-hmm.
I don't
Cool.
know why. But hey, things change. You also have open storage up here. If you want to add a TV, it's going to go right over there above the window. You do have a vent up here, so you don't worry about your AC. You can position that to blow on your head. And then there is storage underneath.
And this is a true queen.
It is a 60 by 80 queen, which is marvelous because it gives you, room to actually walk around it on both sides. So, what do you guys think about this Transcend?
Cool. All right, everybody. If you like this Transcend, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Follow along with us because you never know where we're going to be. And for 15% off of Liquefied, check out that description for the link and for the coupon code. All right. Thanks, everybody.